Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to set the time on your Casio W-96H. So as you can see here, I am in my home screen, so I can actually see the time and date displayed. I have here the button for the 12/24 hour display in case you want to switch to 24-hour display. I'm going to leave it like this because that is how I prefer it. And here in your home screen, we are going to press and hold the adjust button for a few seconds until we hear a small beep. In case you are not in your home screen, make sure to press the mode button, go past all the settings, and you are going to arrive once again at your home screen. I'm going to press and hold the adjust button, and now we can see the seconds flickering. I can press the 12/24 hour display button in order to reset them to 0. Then I'm going to press the mode button and I'm going to arrive at the hours. I can go one by one, or I can press and hold in order to speed scroll. I'm going to leave it at 20. Now I'm going to press the mode button once again, and here I can adjust the minutes. You can only go in one direction, so only forward, and either one by one or speed scroll as I mentioned. So let's make it 20 and 10. I'm going to release and then go one by one. Now I'm going to press the mode button once again, and in case you also want to set the year, you can do so. So here we have the year, once again only forward. Then we have the month, so let's make it April, the 1st of April. And then we have once again the seconds. So if you keep on pressing the mode button, you are going to cycle back from the beginning. And as you can see, the seconds are going to go past 0 and a minute is going to be added. In order to finalize the process, I'm going to press the adjust button, and voila, I have correctly set the time and date on my Casio watch. In case you want to watch the full guide with all the functions and features of this particular model, I'm going to leave a link in the description box below, so make sure to check it out. In case you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, it really means a lot. I post a lot of videos about watches, vintage watches, watch tutorials and watch reviews, so you are going to like it here. If you'd like to purchase your first vintage watch, make sure to also check out our website, vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale, link in the description box below. Like, subscribe, and I'm going to see you guys in the next video.